Hi everyone, I'm Sonia. Welcome back to My Nutrition Foods, your go-to place for tips on healthy and plant-based eating. Today we're tackling a hot topic, coconut oil in smoothies. You might have heard people rave about it. Is it really worth the hype? What are the benefits? How do you use it properly? And is it the right choice for you? Well, stick around because we're diving into all of that and more. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of whether coconut oil should have a place in your smoothie routine, and I'll share some key tips to avoid common mistakes. Let's get started. First, let's talk about why so many people are adding coconut oil to their smoothies. One of the biggest reasons is its nutritional profile. Coconut oil is rich in something called medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs. These are a type of fat that your body can quickly absorb and use for energy. That means if you're having a smoothie as a pre-workout snack or to keep you going throughout the day, a little coconut oil can provide a quick energy boost. Another benefit is satiety. Adding a small amount of healthy fat like coconut oil to your smoothie can help you feel full longer, which can be helpful if you're using smoothies as a meal replacement or a snack. Now let's talk about texture and flavor. Coconut oil adds a lovely creaminess to smoothies, especially when combined with ingredients like bananas or plant-based milks. Plus, it has a mild tropical flavor that can elevate smoothies with fruits like pineapples, mangoes, or berries. It's perfect if you're going for that tropical vibe. So how do you actually use coconut oil in smoothies? This is where a lot of people go wrong, so listen closely. First, you'll want to melt the coconut oil before adding it to your blender. Coconut oil solidifies at room temperature, so if you add it straight from the jar without melting it, it might clump up when it comes into contact with cold ingredients. To avoid that, just warm up 1 to 2 teaspoons of coconut oil in the microwave or on the stovetop for a few seconds before using it. Next, blend it with the liquid ingredients first. For example, if you're using almond milk, oat milk, or water, pour that into the blender along with the melted coconut oil and give it a quick blend. This ensures the oil is evenly distributed before you add your fruits, greens, or other ingredients. A good rule of thumb, use 1 to 2 teaspoons of coconut oil in your smoothie. This is enough to enjoy the benefits without overloading on calories. Of course, while coconut oil has its benefits, there are some things to keep in mind before you start adding it to every smoothie. First, coconut oil is very calorie dense. Just 1 tablespoon has about 120 calories. So if you're trying to manage your calorie intake, it's important to measure carefully. A little goes a long way. Second, while coconut oil is rich in healthy fats, it's also high in saturated fat. If you have certain health conditions like high cholesterol or heart disease, you might want to consult your doctor before incorporating too much of it into your diet. Lastly, not everyone loves the taste of coconut oil. While it has a mild tropical flavor, it might not blend well with every smoothie ingredient. If you're using strong flavors like cacao or peanut butter, it works well. But if your smoothie has delicate flavors, it might overpower them. So who is coconut oil in smoothies really for? Here are a few groups of people who might benefit the most. If you're someone who needs a quick energy boost, like athletes, busy parents, or anyone with a hectic schedule, coconut oil can give you that extra edge to power you through the day. It's also great if you're looking to manage hunger. The fats in coconut oil can help curb cravings and keep you feeling satisfied until your next meal. And finally, if you're a fan of tropical flavors or you love experimenting with new ingredients, coconut oil is definitely worth trying. It pairs beautifully with fruits like pineapple, mango, and banana. Alright, so there you have it. Coconut oil can be a fantastic addition to your smoothies if you're looking for healthy fats, creaminess, or a tropical flavor boost. But like anything else, it's all about balance. Use it in moderation and make sure it aligns with your health goals. I'd love to hear from you. Do you use coconut oil in your smoothies? If so, how do you incorporate it? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to My Nutrition Foods, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, be happy, be healthy.